Hello, Mr. Spratt here, and this is Cooking with COVID, the only YouTube show where you can pick up some skills while avoiding the ills. And speaking of skills, how about developing the skill of being able to serve delicious homemade pizza in your very own kitchen? That's right, on today's pizza finale, we're going to be looking at different methods for baking our homemade pizza. So let's go ahead and get started. We're going to cover two methods for baking pizza today, the home oven and the specialized pizza oven. Let's start with the home oven. In order to bake our pizza, we're going to need something in the oven that conducts heat. Pizza stones are cheap and work pretty well. If you make lots of pizza, a pizza steel like this will hold on to a lot more heat for a longer time and will give you better results, especially if you're cooking more than 2 pizzas in a row. If you don't have either of these, an upside-down cookie sheet will do the job just fine. Just give it a few minutes to heat back up between each pizza. Regardless of what you're using as your cooking surface, you want to place it on the second highest rack in the oven and preheat your oven to its highest temperature, probably either 500 or 550. At this point, you need to wait at least 45 minutes for the oven to heat up and, more importantly, for your cooking surface to absorb loads of heat. You can use the preheat time to start warming up your dough and preparing your toppings. Once the oven has adequately heated, we're going to take one of our lovely homemade pizzas and very confidently shake it off the pizza peel onto the waiting cooking surface. Pizza can smell fear, so do this with some courage. If this is difficult, put some parchment paper under the pizza, and it will slide much more easily. Once the pizza is in the oven, close the door and wait. There's really no need to set a timer. At this temperature, our pizza is going to be done in about 4 minutes. I like to rotate the pizza halfway through, since the back of the oven is usually hotter than the front. Keep watching that pizza, and once the crust starts to brown and the cheese is completely melted, pull it out and stick it on a cooling rack. Let it rest for about 5 minutes before eating it, and you'll be amazed at how good that pizza is. It's remarkably close to true Neapolitan pizza from Italy, and it's a lot cheaper than a plane ticket. Now, while a home oven does work great for cooking pizza, if you have the means, I do recommend picking up a dedicated pizza oven. These gas-powered ovens get up to 900 degrees Fahrenheit and will give you results that are almost identical to the wood-burning ovens in Italy. You want to preheat the oven for a minimum of 10 to 15 minutes on high, and then you simply slide the pizza in at the highest setting. Once the pizza's in the oven, you want to hold a metal pizza peel at the top of the oven to heat it up. This will prevent it from sticking to the crust. At only 15 seconds, slide the peel under the crust, give the pizza a quarter turn, and count to 15 again. Once you hit 15 seconds, give the pizza another quarter turn. Count to 15 one more time, and turn it a third quarter turn. After another 15 seconds, pull the pizza out and look for pale spots, then stick the pizza back in with the pale spots at the back. You shouldn't leave the pizza in for more than about 5 seconds at a time at this point. After approximately 90 seconds in the oven, your pizza should be done and absolutely beautiful. So there you have it, 2 methods for making delicious homemade pizza at home. All of these methods work great and will give you pizza that tastes better than anything you can get locally. I hope you've enjoyed this pizza making series. As always, post your comments and questions either here or on Canvas, and upload pictures of yourself making pizza for a little extra credit. And if you have requests for what I should cook for you next, please let me know. Thanks for watching, and enjoy!